Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon Associates account and start earning, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your Amazon Associates account, begin by visiting the Amazon Associates homepage. Click on the Join Now for Free button to initiate the registration process. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in with your existing credentials. If not, you'll need to create a new Amazon account by entering your email address and setting a password. Once logged in, fill out the account information form. This includes providing your account type, such as individual or business. Next, enter your website or mobile app details where you plan to promote Amazon products. If you don't have a website yet, it's advisable to create one or use a social media platform. In the next section, provide information about how you drive traffic to your site. Indicate how you plan to use the links and what type of products you intend to promote. Go through the associate program policies and the operating agreement, ensuring you understand the terms. After reviewing, accept the agreements to proceed. Now, you will be prompted to enter your payment information for commission payouts. Select your preferred payment method, whether it's direct deposit, gift card, or check. Next, fill in your tax information as required, which may involve completing a W-9 form for U.S. residents. Once all the information is submitted, Amazon will review your application. You will receive an email confirmation regarding the approval of your account. After receiving confirmation, log in to your Amazon Associates dashboard. From there, you can create affiliate links for products that align with your niche. Use the SiteStripe tool to easily generate links as you browse products on Amazon. Promote these links through your website, blog, or social media platforms. Keep track of your clicks and earnings through the Amazon Associates dashboard. To optimize your earnings, experiment with different product promotions and content strategies. Remember to focus on creating valuable content that resonates with your audience. As you grow your platform, continue to refine your approach based on the feedback and analytics you receive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.